Welcome to our video on ProstaVive. Today, we delve into an important topic, prostate health. As men age, maintaining prostate health can become a challenge. Common issues include frequent urination, especially at night, and discomfort. Let's introduce ProstaVive. This advanced nutritional supplement is designed for men, particularly those over 40. It supports prostate health and aids urinary tract function. So how does ProstaVive work? It combines herbal extracts and essential nutrients. This powerful synergy reduces inflammation and improves bladder control. As a result, you can experience fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom and better sleep. Over time, comfort increases, helping you return to daily routines. Now, let's explore some of the key benefits of ProstaVive. First, it supports prostate health by maintaining a healthy prostate and alleviating aging-related symptoms. Second, it eases urinary issues, reducing the need for urgent bathroom visits. ProstaVive uses all natural ingredients made from plant-based compounds. Plus, it's easy to add to your daily routine. Just take it as directed. Is ProstaVive safe? Yes. Its formula is crafted with natural, non-GMO ingredients known for supporting prostate health. Users typically note improvements within a few weeks. What's included in the formula? ProstaVive features carefully selected herbal extracts, vitamins, and minerals that promote prostate function. For a full ingredient list, visit the official website. Will it work for you? Many men have reported enhanced urinary comfort and less urgency. Remember, individual results may vary. However, positive testimonials and clinical knowledge support its effectiveness. Wondering where to buy ProstaVive? It's exclusively available on the official website. Purchasing directly ensures you receive an authentic product and can take advantage of current promotions. Let's talk about pricing. It can vary based on ongoing offers, so check the official website for the best deals and bundle options. Ready to take a proactive step toward better prostate health? Watch the official video or place your order today through the official ProstaVive website. Join the many men incorporating ProstaVive into their daily wellness routines. Remember, this information isn't a replacement for medical advice. Results may differ from person to person. To recap, ProstaVive supports prostate health, eases urinary issues, and uses all natural ingredients. It's safe for most users and can enhance your daily comfort. To gain the best results, make it a part of your routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to visit the official site below. Take control of your health today.